But they're pretty accurate. And you know how many people are in Karachi? Nobody knows either. Maybe 22, 23, 25, and how about Lahore? Who's from Karachi here? Oh, and where's the Punjabis? Lahoris mostly, probably, yeah? Huh? They're everywhere. I think the Sindhis rule tonight, you know. Actually, Heidi and I, though, we're part, you know, our son married a Pakistani girl who's from the Punjab, and so Heidi and I are now part of a Bara Punjabi Khandan. Yeah, bilkul. We had a Punjabi wedding, everything. It was great, you know. It's the Paracha family. And they're settled in Dallas. We just got to see them. But anyway, I'm straying away from my story tonight. But that's part of our story, yes? Because he grew up in Pakistan, and I thought that was a beautiful thing that we were able actually to have that sort of connection there through marriage.